Let's take a look at this tough exponential expression. We are asked to simplify 3 power 4 into 9 power minus 2 upon 27 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 3. The first step is recognizing that everything can be written as power of 3. Remember, 9 equals to 3 power 2 and 27 is equals to 3 power 3. So 9 power minus 2 becomes 3 power minus 4 and 27 power minus 1 becomes 3 power minus 3. Now the whole problem is written only with base 3. So we can write in the numerator, we can write 3 power 4 into 3 power minus 4 divided by 3 power. In the denominator we multiply the exponents, as we can write 3 power minus 3 times 3 power minus 3. Now as per exponential rule, a power m into a power n equals to a m plus n. So here we find 3 power 0 means 1. Negative exponents is the same as flipping the base. So we find 1 divided by 3 power minus 6. So it becomes 3 power 6 and 3 power 6 evaluate to 7 to 9. The final answer is 7 to 9. I hope this is very clear to everyone.